have been cool. I seen at the open house that we had, there was a gentleman that was wearing them. I thought it was pretty cool.
Yeah, I like them. I think they're cool. But...
All right, you got this, buddy.
Shooter ready. Stand by. .309. Slow it down a smidge. Shooter ready. Stand by. .314.
Smooth, relax.
Take a deep breath. You got
Relax, you got this. You already know what you're doing.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Yeah, you go.
225.
Good job, buddy.
it. Warming up.
Fantastic.
Dylan, you're on deck behind Jet.
Let's go. Now you're
Shooter ready.
relaxed.
Stand by. .357.
It's fifth and final.
Fifth and final right here. Put it all together. Let's go.
You got it.
Just relax it. Enjoy it.
Shooter ready. Stand by. .203.
Good job, Ryan. Fantastic.
Clear. All right, ranges come before it, and then from there, just make sure all the hits are in. All right, thank you, painters. Range is hot. You may load mic ready.
Shooter ready, beep.
Clear. Beep, beep, beep. Ding, 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 ding.
And he didn't like it.
Ding, 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 ding.
All right, let's go.
Shooter ready. Stand by. .262. Shooter ready. Stand by. .243.
Gotta aim. Come on.
She was gonna stay in there.
Shooter ready.
You got this.
Stand by.
There it is.
232.
Man, I got a chunk of metal in my arm now.
Shooter ready. Stand by. .268.
Good. Fifth and final.
Fifth and final.
Shooter ready. Stand by. .196.
Ooh, that was nice. You clipped that little corner one right
Clear.
The new rifle from Christmas.
New stock.
We got Jet. Dylan.
I want a new rifle for Christmas. Told you should have had that new water. Cut off a few seconds.
Ready to go.
Or the one that has the most numbers, right? And then they take the other four and add them together.
We have one in our car.
Okay, got it.
Does that make sense?
So, should I add in all these?
I have one in the car.
You're clear. You're clear. I'm trying to think.
Not yet until you do this one.
You look for a 9 rifle and we have 2 in the car.
You're welcome. Okay, wait, hold on a minute.
There's 2 in the car.
Yeah,
Right?
we got some- we have-
Mm-hmm.
Shooter ready.
Wait, whoa.
Stand by. Oh wait.
Wait.
We had to skip Dylan. He needed mags.
Okay, I'm starting to flip out.
Let's just take a break for a second.
Too many things going on.
No way.
And you are doing optic rifle.
Dylan, Matt, we have a spare in the truck.
Okay, yeah, I feel like they need one on the hood.
Okay.
Maddie,
Maddie!
we have a spare iron rifle in the truck.
Just taking a look at it.
Shooter ready. Stand by. $189.
All right.
After this, I might be able to run to the truck and get it.
Yeah.
Everything from revolvers to
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Stands here.
168.
Oh!
Good job, Riot.
Shooter ready. Stand by. 174.
Oh man, this is right where you want. Excellent, excellent.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Exactly like my daughter.
172. What are you
Fifth
thinking?
and final.
I go fast.
I want to go fast. Shooter ready. Stand by. Three even.
All right, good Chad. Good try. Good try. Excellent work though.
Clear.
That's really
That's what you
disciplined
do,
shooting.
swing
That's
for the
really good,
fence.
Ryan.
Just goes to show that when you go smooth and steady, it is faster.
It also goes to show that when you go like mock Jesus to practice and then slow
All
it
right,
down.
range is cold. Painters. Clear.
He was just as devious as I was.
Oh yeah.
He's full of
like
ideas. He's just really good about talking other people into it too.
Yeah.
So he's not the he's like the mobster. You're never gonna get him on the crime. It's a tax fraud or
I
something.
like it.
Shooter ready. Stand by. 140.
All right.
Let's go.
Remember, steady.
Come on, right.
Shooter ready. Stand by. $149.
Come on, you got more.
You got it.
That's all you need.
Hold your pace.
Shooter ready. Stand by. $146.
Good job.
Take a break.
You're doing great.
Shooter ready. Stand by. $161. You use ding 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 ding.
Who missed?
Who missed?
Not me.
One more.
One more.
Fifth and final.
Shooter ready. Stand by. $184.
Good job.
Great runs.
Yeah, bro. Sheesh.
Clear.
Good shooting, man. Good disciplined shooting.
Now,
You show
imagine what that
everybody-
Reaper would do for you, man.
That would be explosive.
In a lot of ways.
I don't know if I want to do it here in a porta potty.